Hello world, here is BT, your Bitcoin trading informant. And here it is. Here is tutorial number 3, how to trade Bitcoin. And we had a lot of interesting stuff with tutorial number 1 and tutorial number 2, but now we are here on TradingView and we are here to draw our first line and to see the first thing, is it going up or is it going down for now and for the future. And that's the important thing for TA, for the technical analysis. So guys, here we are. TradingView, Bitcoin, USD. Here is the 1 hour chart. For all guys, you missed it, please watch my video tutorial number 1 and 2. Now we are here on number 3. On the left side, we have a lot of interesting tools, and we are starting with the first one. This is the line here. We can click on this line here, and to make a quick overview, is it going to the upside or to the downside, you can move out here with the zoom, and here is Bitcoin. And if we will like to see what's going on, we will make a line here from the deepest point like this to the upside like this. So guys, we have now a line, and as I told you, if it is going up to the upside, it's always green, it's bullish. If it's going down to the downside, it's always red. And here for this short term, you know, every candle is 1 hour. Yes, you can see it. We have a green upgoing trend. This is our trend line, and the important thing is the trend is our friend, and we're trading always with this trend. So guys, and yes, this is bullish, this is okay, we are in an upgoing trend. That's the first thing we can see. We can now draw another line from the upper side here. This is the highest point here, the upper side, to the downside on this highest point here, like this. And you can see this is a line, it's going to the downside. So it's hard to say. One line is going to the upside, it's green, it's bullish. One line is going to the downside, it's bearish, and the bears are red. So, Bitty, what's now going on? You said green is the upside, it's going to the upside, and the red one is to the downside. How should we see the direction of Bitcoin? And again, yes, that's guys, that's the most important thing for the moment. We have no clear direction here if you're going up or down. You can see it here for the short term. This is a nice upgoing chart, yes, but for a longer time, for long term, here is coming a bad downtrend over our heads. So we can't say we are now in this short term in an up or in a downtrend. We have to move out more and more and more. We can zoom out of this chart, and we can make here to the longer time frame here another line. Here is the line also. Here was the deepest point, and we can make the line over this deepest point here to the upside, and that's our big uptrend. And now you can see, guys, if we are zooming out a little bit from this 1 hour chart here, you can see, oh yes, here we are in a very nice uptrend. In a bigger time frame, everything is looking fine. But if we are zooming in, you can see here is coming a big red line over our heads, and that's a resistance. So only with lines here we are drawing in this trading view, we can see if we are in an uptrend or if we are in a downtrend. If you are zooming out more and more, we can make more lines, and we can see, oh, in a big time frame everything is looking fine, we're in an uptrend, but for this now it's going down. Also here, the last time, you can see this here, we can make a line also from the highest to the lowest here, maybe like this here, and you can see it's a red one because it was a resistance, and this was also a resistance. And you can see, guys, what happened if we broke this resistance to the upside. So only with lines, that's the easiest thing here for drawing on TradingView. Only with these lines we can see for the next time is it's going up or to the downside. Last time we see it here on the other side of this screen, you see it here on the time frame on the downside, and you can see here was a breakout on the 1st February. This was a breakout to the upside. If we broke the red line, we saw a breakout to the upside. For now, guys, very important, here is the red line. Maybe the same thing here we see with this breakout. I can show you something more here, because this line was like this here. this was the line from this point to the highest point. And yes, guys, we saw a breakout over this red line. We are momently over this red line. But if you are drawing a fresh line here, like this, you can see it. Oh damn, we are here on a resistance. We are fighting also on a resistance. So it's always good to make a fresh new line. If you're going into a chart and you would like to see for yourself it's going up or down, draw your line. And now you can answer your question for yourself. A lot of guys are asking me for an hour or so, BT, is it a good time to buy Bitcoin now? And if I see only these two lines here, and if I see, oh God, Bitcoin is on this resistance, it's spiking on the resistance, momently it's not a good time to buy. Why? We need to break this red line. If we can break this red line with a confirmed breakout, I will tell you in another video what is a confirmed breakout. If we can break it, then it is a good point to buy. But momently I have to say no, because of this resistance. You can see it here. This resistance, this red line was here resistant, it spiked down again, and now Bitcoin is fighting again with this resistance. And if Bitcoin can break it, then it's a good point to buy, but not for now. So you can see, guys, with these lines you can make the important thing for yourself, the important stuff for yourself. You can draw your own trend lines, if it's going up or if it's going down. The same thing was here. I can show you. We can erase this line, we can click on it, and we are pressing the delete key, and now it's going away. Or we can click on it, and here is the empty box, sorry, what it is, how it's named, the remove, the remove, and now it's away. We can also draw a line here from this deepest point to this deepest point, so we have this line as a green line also, and you can see it, this is our trend line, and that's our support. And for the next stuff, guys, it's important. We have here on the left side a lot of things, and we have here on the T, that's for the text, an important thing, that's the price label. And with the price label, if you're clicking on it, you can see if you click on this, oh, this was the price, 43,000. So if you're zooming in now a little bit, you can move this price label to the highest point. What was the highest point? 58,300. Okay, very nice. You can move it to this side, because if Bitcoin is going down now a little bit, and that's the big stuff here for our tutorial number 3 here, if Bitcoin is going down now a little bit, I will show you with this tool here. That's a brush, and if you click on the brush, you can draw here your own lines, how you would like to draw. With the remove, it's away. And now if Bitcoin is going down from here like this, and it's touching this line, this is maybe a good buy point because of this great support line, this green support line. So if you are asking me, BT, is it now a good point to buy? I have to say, no, it's not a good buy. And you can say it for your own. If you're making a line from this like this, and you make it red, okay, you can see it for yourself again. Okay, not a good point to buy because we are under resistance. I will wait. If we are going over the resistance, everything is fine. I can buy if it's a confirmed breakout. But if it's going to the downside, where is the next point to buy? And that's here for the easy drawing with the lines 47,300. There are another things that are important with lower lows and lower highs and a lot of stuff. I would tell you all this stuff in the next videos, guys. But for the first now, you can draw your own lines on TradingView. You can set your price label wherever you want, and you can see it now. Okay, this is a good point maybe for me. If it's going down again, if I missed this pump here to the upside, here I wait for 47,300, and I will make a buy position maybe here, but not here for the moment on 51,000. We are momently on 51,000. Here is the big resistance. I would never go in here under this resistance. And guys, that's it for the moment, for the trend lines, for the price label, for the pencil. You can make your own drawings here, and for the removing here, I think you have now the main skills to draw your lines, to see the first trends, and to make your own price labels. Guys, that was the third video for our trading tutorial, how to trade Bitcoin. If you would like to help me out and to donate something or to make a subscription or a subscriber here, please visit my Twitch TV/Bitcoin Trading Informant. I have there a lot of information, a lot of indicators, a lot of news there, a lot of nice guys here in the community. Please follow me there. Give me a donation or give me a subscriber, or a nice word is also very nice to send me a smile here. Guys, thank you very much. This was the third one. We will see you next time to the fourth part of our trading thing, how to trade Bitcoin. I wish you the best of luck. It doesn't matter if you're going long or if you're going short. I wish you make millions, guys. Bye bye. Greetings. Yours BT, your Bitcoin Trading Informant.